Hello and welcome to day number 25 of my personal projects advent calendar. Today I'm going to talk about two more anime image board related projects I did, one of them being the Konachan wallpaper for Gnome 3 and the other one being a Konachan RSS feed generator. Let's start with the wallpaper changer. So this is a simple bash script which interacts with the Gnome 3 desktop environment in a way that it changes the wallpaper every few minutes. You can find the project on my Git repository. I'll link it in below. You just download the shell script to somewhere and you execute it at every startup. Then in the file, you need to set the tags that you're interested in, the directory to which the pictures are supposed to be downloaded, the delay between wallpaper updates, and the rest is essentially, it doesn't really matter. SUD is a startup delay, which sometimes might help if the internet connection is not available immediately after GNOME has launched. So if you enter a delay here, that might solve some problems there. So for example, I recommend to add the following in order random and width, and then a width, and then dot dot. The dot dot means everything larger than 1600 pixels in width, because you don't want like probably a 640 by 480 image on a 1080 or even 4K screen. And apart from this, you just add in your tags and ratings. So you can, for example, add scenic here, and after that it will only load the images with the scenic tag. Of course, the Kona wallpaper, the picture directory will get really large over time, so you might want to clean up periodically in there, as it is not done by the script. If you scroll down in the file, you can see the actual call to set the wallpaper is this one. It's just a gsettings call, so make sure you have that installed. You also need to, I think, curl, and apart from this, it should just be the basics. Not that curl is not a basic, but sometimes it's missing. Okay, then let's take a look at the second project, Konachan. This is something you have to run on a server as it's written in PHP. You can see the source code here. It's again all in my Git repository. I'll link it in below. And this will generate an RSS feed so that you can stay up to date with the tags on Konachan or any other Moeburu-based image board using Thunderbird. So if we take a look at Thunderbird here, we can see I added the feed here. Just link to the PHP file with this, with the address of the file, and then supply get parameter. Where is it? Here, tag equals tag, and then you will stay up to date. So, and you can see here, pictures are there. You can view them. You can also double click entries to open the site in the browser. Of course, you can open it in an external browser, whatever you want, but it will always notify you that way when new pictures are available. Okay, two very simple scripts, but if you're into anime, they might make your Linux desktop experience a little bit more fun. So check it out if you want. And thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.